Morning Shelton Academy. These are the morning news brought to you by the Media Club. My name is Andrew.
And my name is Simon, and today we are going to be talking about the news of the week. But first, please stand up for the Pledge of Allegiance.
To the flag, to the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Saint Michael the Archangel, defend us in the battle. Be our protection against the wickedness and snares of the devil. May God rebuke him, we humbly pray. Enter thou, O Prince of the heavenly host. By the power of God, trust in the house Satan and all the evil spirits who prowl about the world seeking the rules of souls. Amen.
We have a Shelton talk today about mission, vision, and values.
The next week, Book Week, is coming up. Many fun activities are coming. Be prepared.